If you want to see a 40,000 kiloton hydraulic swinging a 6-inch diameter wire rope, stick around for the Sam Splice GmbH. For this to function properly, a ferrule needs to be placed between the machine's hydraulic jaws. Then, the wire rope is formed into an eye loop by bending it. This will now be threaded through the ferrule's one end to the other. After threading it, the wire rope loop is pulled while making sure that an aluminum piece is placed inside. Finally, operators no longer need to manually pull the rope thanks to its rigging arm, and the ferrule is tightened so the hydraulic press can also tighten the wire rope together. Up next, we have the halo rope. This video is showing you the fabrication of a 4-leg wire rope sling. First, the 3-inch wire rope needs to be cut, so creating a wire loop sling would be easier. To ensure high-quality output, only professional workers and machines handle the cutting. Each thread you see is called a leg, and this wire rope has 4 of them. Lastly, the next video you'll see is from Nakamura Industry Company Ltd. They're a company founded in 1984 and they're known to be excellent in providing plumbing, heating, air conditioning, and similar work. Aside from that, their wire rope processes are also very marvelous. We hope you learned a thing or two about how these industrial wire ropes wire. For a sure success of this process, each wire is examined if they have the right properties like strength, flexibility, and durability for high-quality wire rope production. Using a reel, steel wires are winded in it while spools are being loaded into a stranding machine. This machine is assigned to twist the steel cables together until the desired strand or length is made. As it travels through dies and rollers, the stand formation is also modified. The continuous twisting of many strands together creates the end product, which is the wire rope. To ensure accuracy, the diameter of the ropes are checked from time to time. This is done to know if the strands are sufficiently compressed. After all that, they will run an endurance test to test the wire rope's properties. Then, once this is done, the finished rope will be kept on a bigger reel and delivered to the client.